Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm in the Novell Turtle Creek in their one-bedroom den. This is apartment number 1609. It's their one-bedroom den, so let's do a quick walkthrough. The one-bedroom den is really pretty. This is a gorgeous den. This is a great study. It would definitely fit being a study or a work area, but it could also be used for that occasional guest because it almost closes off and it's nicely separated from the bedroom area. When we walk in, we've got a beautiful kitchen. This is a very large space. There's a very, very nice space here. You would love what you're seeing. Wow, I love it. You would love it in person just as much as I do. It's just gorgeous. It's got a beautiful kitchen with a magnificently large island. That's probably 12 feet or more, large island. Beautiful amount of cabinets. Beautiful oven with that gas top is gorgeous. I love the open cabinets here too. And then look at all this just gorgeous cabinets here and the beautiful appliances. There's Samsung smart fridge, just a lot to enjoy here. This is a gorgeous, really open, great place that you would love for yourself and love having people over. And then look at these fantastic views. Fantastic views are here. You're gonna love the space out here. You do have a balcony too. So you walk out on the balcony and it's a very nice sized balcony. You're gonna have a great feel here. Wow, with some fantastic views of the city. There's downtown Dallas right over there. Wow, beautiful balcony. Hey, I love the feel here in Novell Turtle Creek. This is definitely one of my favorite spots in all of Dallas. And if you like it as much as I like it, what I recommend is send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, I'd love to get a virtual tour. That's the best way to see this. Do a virtual tour and request that just for me. We'll take care of that for free. It'll be someone that I get from Novell, and they'll take care of you with their virtual tour. They'll pick the apartments that are open that fit your needs the best. They'll be just like this, but it'll be personalized for you. It'll be free, no charge, and it'll be a great way to see Novell without having to come here in person. Send me a text and request that, or just send me a text and say hi, and just ask about Dallas apartments, Dallas areas, and I'd be happy to help you with a 100% free service. By the way, this is the bathroom. The bathroom is gorgeous. Look at this. Dual sink, just stunning. Dual sink is huge. The mirrors here are amazing. Really pretty shower area. Huge closet. This is a gorgeous apartment. You'd be in one of the premier high rises in all of Dallas, and definitely one of the newest as well at the Novell Turtle Creek. Send me a text right now. I look forward to hearing from you.